Beginner's Quora Marketing Guide. If you want to establish yourself as an authority in your field or niche, answering people's queries is a terrific place to start. This helps towards building your credibility as a credible source in your industry or space. And for that, Quora is an excellent place to begin. In this Beginner's Quora Marketing Guide, you will learn what Quora marketing is and how to leverage this network of 300 million monthly active users. Discover how to make the most of Quora, from designing the ideal profile to producing the finest answers. Before we begin, it would mean a lot if you would like this video and subscribe to our channel for all things marketing. Let's begin. What is Quora? Quora is a social media platform that allows users to ask questions, receive answers, and engage with others. Quora was co-founded in 2009 by former Facebook Chief Technology Officer Adam D'Angelo and Charlie Cheever, who also worked at Facebook. So how does it help you? Well, I'll tell you exactly how. We'll go over why you should use Quora for marketing, how to set up your Quora profile for long-term success, how to find relative topics related to your industry, how to use Quora for customer service and reputation management, as well as how to submit questions and answers. So please make sure you watch the whole video to make sure you understand the whole process. Why should you use Quora for marketing? Even if you're not the foremost authority on a given subject, chances are you know more than others. This question and answer network enables you to assist people on any subject, from affiliate marketing to cooking. Using this platform, you can get exposure to Quora's 300 million monthly users, which can get you highly converting traffic and quality leads, and with over 300,000 topics to choose from, you may show your knowledge on practically any subject. You can leverage a lot of topics by finding intersection points between the industry you are working in and its peripheral industries. You can also give direct responses to anyone who inquires about your company, products, or services or business, and create a significant online community around your brand. Alright, so now that you know why you should join Quora, let's take a look at how you can get the most out of Quora, beginning with your profile. Step 1. How to set up your Quora profile. Sign up for Quora using your email or by joining in with your Facebook account. After that, your first step is to build your profile. There is no use in gaining visibility by showcasing your industry experience if visitors go to your profile to learn more about you and find nothing. A good profile is a must. To change your profile, go to the top right corner and click on your profile image. Then, from the drop-down menu, select your name. It will launch a new tab in which you can include your headline, change your name, profile, and credentials, update your profile photo, modify your topics, write a description about yourself. Make sure to include links to your primary website or social networks in your profile. This should make it easier for Quora users to return to your website or preferred contact or traffic page. Step 2. Find and follow industry-related topics. After you've completed your profile, you'll want to start looking for topics to follow. To find topics, go to the top of the page and type a keyword into the search box. Quora will provide you with immediate suggestions based on your input. When you go to a topic page, here's what you'll see. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll find related topics, Quora spaces that are relevant to the topic, and most recent inquiries received. When you click the Follow Topic button, the most recent activity for the topic will appear in your Quora homepage newsfeed. Step 3. Describe your topic experience. Return to your profile and click the Edit icon next to Credentials and Highlights once you've followed the topics you're interested in. Select Topic under Add Credential. You can explain your experience with each of the areas you're interested in below. You can also choose to display this credential when responding to a specific question. Step 4. Use Quora for reputation management and customer service. Keep in mind that subjects might also be centered on a brand. Use the search option to discover if your products or services are being discussed. You'll want to keep an eye on any issues that are relevant to your business so you can jump in when fresh questions regarding your products or services arise. People are likely to inquire about the differences between your products or services and those of others, and these are high-quality, convertible leads as they are already interested and curious. Always be prepared to make your answers shine if you want them to convert. Step 5. Submit questions and answers. You can start submitting questions and answers once you follow your favorite topics. Using the question and answer network to add questions is a terrific method to learn more about your target demographic. Simply go to the appropriate topic. Then click on the red Add Question button at the top right-hand side of the page. Once you've started receiving responses, be sure to show your gratitude by clicking the upvote arrow icon beneath each one. You're not getting any responses? You can also ask particular members of the Quora community to respond to your question. When you hover your cursor over the user's name, a profile pop-up will appear. You can ask the individual to answer your question by clicking the Ask a Question button. Now let's talk about adding answers. Are you ready to show off your knowledge and start answering questions? You can do so by selecting the Answer tab after clicking on a topic. You have the option of answering or passing the question, as well as downvoting or sharing it on Facebook or Twitter. You have the following options when crafting your response. Using the @ symbol, you can tag other persons, subjects, and spaces. Images from your hard drive can be uploaded. To back up your answer, include a URL link and a footnote. If you need more time, save your response as a draft. Remember, this is a fantastic chance to market your content, products, or services, but only if they're relevant to your response. Make sure your responses are informative and avoid appearing spammy. And this is it. You now know the basics of Quora marketing. For staying till the end of the video, let me share a bonus tip: using Quora Spaces. Topics are distinct subjects on Quora that you want to follow and answer your questions about. Quora Spaces, on the other hand, are groups of people who have similar interests. You can use the feature to share and answer questions about the topic from across the web. Once you've joined a space, you'll receive notifications about all the information and updates posted on the Spaces feed. It's a little like Facebook groups. There is, however, one significant difference. Space owners can choose certain users, and they can contribute content and respond to queries. Other spaces have regulations, such as admins reviewing all entries, and you must follow the space to contribute. If you're looking for individuals to follow in your niche, you can click the following link beneath the space name, and you'll get a list of people who are following the space. You'll see updates from their profile in your newsfeed if you click the plus icon next to their name. And that's it, guys. I hope you were able to get a basic framework to start your Quora marketing journey. If you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. See you next time.